In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook to Canva. By the end, you'll have your Facebook page linked so you can publish or schedule posts directly from your Canva designs, saving time and keeping everything in one place. First, open your browser and head to canva.com, then sign in to your Canva account. Make sure you're logged into the correct Canva workspace if you use more than one, so the connection and posts end up where you expect them. Next, create a new design or open an existing one you're ready to share. This can be an image or a video. Take a moment to finish any edits. Check your text, colors, and layout. If you're posting a video, ensure it plays through smoothly in the preview. Getting your design final now helps avoid going back and forth once you connect your accounts. When your design looks good, look to the top right corner of the editor and click Share. This opens Canva's sharing panel. Here, choose Share on Social, or scroll the list of platforms and select Facebook. If you don't see Facebook right away, use the search bar in the panel to find it quickly. When prompted, select the Facebook page you want to connect. This is important. Canva can only publish and schedule to Facebook pages, not personal profiles. If you manage multiple pages, pick the one you plan to post to. You'll need to have the appropriate role on that page. Admin or editor access is typically required, so Facebook can grant Canva permission to publish. Now, log into your Facebook account if you aren't already. Facebook will show a permissions screen asking you to allow Canva to access your page. Review the prompts and allow the requested permissions so Canva can create and schedule posts on your behalf. These permissions are standard for third-party publishing tools and are limited to the pages you choose. You can adjust or revoke them later in your Facebook settings if needed. After you confirm and grant access, the connection completes. Back in Canva, you'll see Facebook listed among your connected accounts when you go to schedule or publish. If it doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment or refresh the design. From here on, when you hit Share on a design, your connected Facebook page will be available as a destination, streamlining your workflow. That's it. You opened Canva, finalized your design, clicked Share, chose Facebook, picked your page, logged in, and authorized access. You're now ready to publish or schedule directly from Canva to your Facebook page with confidence.